Welcome. I was at Dollar Tree and thought it would be fun just to buy every meat that they have at Dollar Tree. So in this video, I want to show you different meats that I bought at Dollar Tree. And also, I'm going to taste test every one of these meats. So let's get started. As I was setting these meats out, I was looking at the best by dates and nutritional. Now, some of these are high in sodium. This one, high in sodium. The sardines are high in sodium. So I got some sardines. Sardines in oil. Kipper snacks. I'm ready to try these. I'm not sure about smoke flavored though. Smoked oysters. Sardines in tomato sauce. Potted meat. Vienna sausage, original. And some Vienna bites. We have two different types of tuna. Some canned chicken, that mackerel, and another lower sodium mackerel. And then we have some chicken salad. Check the ingredients on that. That's a list of ingredients. Tuna salad, lemon pepper tuna salad, and ranch tuna salad. So let's do a taste test of this. All right, supper time. I'm gonna start with this mackerel. This is the lower sodium. This mackerel here has about 31% of the daily recommended sodium in it. Let's just give her a taste test. It's not really that salty. It's not bad. I like mackerel. To me, it's a little bit cheaper form of seafood. This one's better. It really is. This one has that salmon flavor to it. Yeah, I like that. That's all right. Let's try some Vienna bites. These are made of chicken. And they look, I can get them there. They look like little hot dogs. They taste like hot dogs too. They're not bad. If you put these in something like beans and make beanie weenies out of them, they'll be all right. Yeah, not too bad. For $1. That's pretty good for $1. Same way with this. That's good for $1. Okay. Let's do some chicken. I love canned chicken. Nice bite size. Yeah, that's good. That is really good. This makes good chicken salad. Now this has sodium phosphate in it. The Keystone brand is just chicken, sea salt, and water. Still good tasting for $1. That's good meat. Okay, let's try these sardines. This is sardines and this is in soybean oil. It's not bad if you have a taste for it. If you like tuna in oil, you would like this. I like sardines in water. The sardines you buy at Walmart have water in them, not the oil. It's not bad. I just prefer the water. We'll see how sardines in tomato sauce taste. Wow. That's better than what I thought it would be. That's pretty good. Still like sardines in water better, but that's better than what I thought it was going to be. Now we have two different types of tuna here. This albacore tuna has less sodium than the star-kissed, and I wish I could show you. One is pink and one is white. This one's white. There are the pink colors coming out of it. Oh yeah. Put some mayonnaise on this. Make a nice sandwich. That's good. That is really good. And all this for $1. Now tasting these together, I can tell a slight difference in the light tuna and the albacore tuna. They're both good. Okay, these are kipper snacks, smoked. Let's see how these taste. That is actually better than what I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it's not an overwhelming smoke flavor. And that's good. That's good. That is surprisingly good. Like I said, not an overwhelming smoke flavor. These are smoked oysters with carrots and green chilies, I think I said. Let's try the carrot and green chili. There's some carrots. Oh yeah, that tastes good. Let's get the, I know I said green chili. It's a red chili pepper I'm trying to get up. There it is. It's got a little bit of a bite to it. And the oyster. That's not bad. That is a lot better than just raw oysters. Now I use oysters in oyster dressing. Crunch them up a little. Put a few of them in oyster dressing and then the juice. A lot of times I just use the juice. But this is not bad at all. Not bad. The carrots and the red chili give it an extra flavor. Helps it. Now these sardines here, when you open them, don't look that appetizing. There they look a little bit more appetizing. These are in brine. Bigger chunks. There's 3 big chunks in her. Yeah, that's good. It's not as good as the sardines in water, but it's good. Yes, that's good. Okay. We have Vienna sausages. They look Look like little hot dogs. Now these Vienna sausages and the potted meat, and these are high in sodium, about 25% of your daily sodium. That's not bad. That's not bad. Like I say, on these, if you put them in some beans, make some beanie weenies, I would like to try these fried. I think they would probably taste good fried. Not bad. So far, I really haven't tasted anything that's bad. That's really good. Let's try this potted meat. Wow, that's salty. That is really salty. If you had to eat it, you could. That's not for my taste buds. It's just entirely too salty. Don't take my word for it though. Buy a can, it's $1. Try it yourself. See what you think. Yeah, it's out of everything here. It's the saltiest. By far the saltiest. Now these, when I brought these tuna salad and chicken salad out, it smelled really good. Now each one of these come with crackers. This is lemon pepper tuna salad. Got a nice little spoon. That's pretty good. I taste the lemon. I don't really taste the pepper. The lemon is good. Wish I had a little bit more pepper flavor. But yeah, that's all right. That's all right. We've got some tuna salad. I know this is going to be good. Yeah, this will be tuna salad. That's good. So far, this is probably the best. That mackerel, these two are the best so far. The chicken, I like the chicken too. Yeah, this is what you want in a tuna salad. That's good. Ranch tuna salad. It's good. I taste a hint of ranch. Really, it's just a tuna salad that isn't as good as this tuna salad. Still good, but it's just not as good as this one. Let's try this. This is chicken salad. That's good. Yeah. That is good. And for $1 for these, make you a nice snack. And wow, that's good. So these were my best. I probably like this tuna salad the best. I'll rate it as the best. And then the chicken is second. This jack mackerel is third. As far as my least favorite, this potted meat, it is really salty. Don't take my word for it though. Try some yourself. The second, even though I liked it, the sardines in tomato sauce would have to go second. Third, these, they're okay, but you would have to add beans to them. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this because I enjoyed tasting all these, and I was really pleasantly surprised with the tuna salad. I really was. And I was kind of surprised that I liked more of this meat than what I thought I would coming into this. Now for $16, I think I have in this. That's a lot of meat. And most of this will probably last 2 to 5 years. So I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, happy prepper shopping.